Assalamu alaikum friends, today we'll discuss how to fix we limit how often you can do certain thing on Instagram. This problem is mainly of two types. Another problem is that you are giving a fixed time which will automatically fix itself after the time is over. Today I will discuss with you how to solve this problem. Watch the full video. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe. First, check your Instagram is updated. If you get any update, please update. Launch the Instagram app on your iPhone, iPad or Android device. This problem can be caused by few reasons. When we create a new account on Instagram, we need lots of followers. We use different type of third-party software or we collect followers from different type of website to increase its followers. Access to our Instagram account goes to third-party companies due to the use of third-party software. Or we follow many people together after creating an account, then unfollow them again. Or make many comments in different places by mistake. All these reasons can cause us this problem. Now we will show you how to solve this problem very easily. Then tap hamburger menu, click settings, click security, then click login activity. If any location other than your location is shown here, then click on the three dot icon, then click logout. Click back, click accounts, then click sharing to other apps. If your account is not linked with Facebook, then link it with Facebook. Click back, then tap hamburger menu, click settings, then click help. Click report a problem, then click report problem. Provide a screenshot of your problem. Write details about your problem. You can write my article if you want. Click next when done. Then click send report. Wait for 2 or 3 days and hopefully your problem will be resolved. If you like the video, please share with your friends. Thanks for watching.